Hello, myself Ruchi Patidar. Today I am discussing about two topics. First is cell membrane and second is the structure of membrane. What is cell membrane? Non-cellular forms of life do not exist on the earth. Viruses and bacteriophages cannot be regarded as independent, self-sufficient living systems. Of all the functions of the living cell, they possess only the ability to transmit the genetic program. Conversely, the basis characteristics of life are inherited both of uncellular organism and in the overwhelming majority of type of specialized cell of the multicellular organism. The structure and behavior of individual cells are so complex that it is proved possible to formulate the problem of behavior at the cell level. The problem of cytoethology, the building of ultramolecule biology, starts with the study of the living cell. The biophysics of the cell attempts to treat the cell through the use of experimental and theoretical molecules that are enable the physical approaches. The most important physical and physiochemical function of energetic process of the storage of the energy and its transformation during electro and mechanochemical process and regulated transport of molecule and ion. As we have seen, the storage of energy predominantly occur in the form of ATP. The chemical energy of ATP is transformed into the chemical, electrical, osmotic and mechanical work. The biosynthetic and bioenergetic function are inextricably interlinked. They are realized only in one open non-equilibrium system. According this function are coupled to the transport of matter from the surrounding medium into the cell and vice versa. The combination of the transport of matter with the preservation and independence of the inner cell structure is accomplished by the only possible way. For its function to be realized, the cell as a whole is isolated from its environment by a semi-permeable partition. Each cell is surrounded by a plasma membrane. The appearance of a cell membrane was evidently as important stage in the origin of life. The compartmentation, the isolation of the intracellular space from the outside world, determining the decisive acceleration of the pre-biological and biological evolution. On the other hand, delicate regulation of intracellular process is accomplished on the basis of the spatted separation of cell organelles. The intercellular membrane serve as compartment for the internal contact of the cell. Biological membrane are supermolecule system whose extent into two dimension considerably exceeds their thickness, which is of the order of 10 nanometer. All the mechanisms responsible for the biological functionality of the membrane are, however, localized at its thickness. The membrane are not passive, semi-permeable cell. They take a direct and very important part in all the function of the cell. Biological membrane provide an active transport of matter moving against the opposing chemical or electrochemical potential gradient. The membranes serve as the site of the main bioenergetic process, oxidative phosphorization and phosphosynthesis. ATP is synthesized in the mitochondrial membrane and the thylakoid membrane of the chloroplast of green plant. There is very ground for believing that there is a connecting between the ribosomes on which protein synthesis take place and the member system of the endoplasmic reticulum. The replication of DNA and chromosome presumably involve membrane. The most important bioenergetic process include bioelectric phenomena, the generation of biopotential, the progression of the nervous impulse is a membrane process, reception, whereby touch, smell, taste, hearing or vision occur with the invisible participation of membrane. For what has just been said, it follows that the physics of membrane in one of the central area of biophysics, membrane physics and biology are the fundamental significance of theoretical science and to its application and in medicine and pharmacology. Below is given a list of the basic problem of the physics membrane. First is the membrane structure and the dynamical properties of the membrane structure which determine its functionally. The passive and active membrane transport. The properties of extable membrane, the member bioenergetic, the physics of reception process. In concluding this section, we give a table which lists the most important event occurring in biological membrane of various type. The quantum indicates of phenomena associate the light quanta. The quantity represent the changes of the electrical potential. Donated the appreciate of an electrical ion current. E represent the transport of electron. ATP is the synthesis of the ATP. ATP is the degradation of ATP. My next topic is the structure of membrane. Biological membrane is a dynamical organized system. It is necessary to study both its structure and the dynamic of its behavior. Biological membrane consists mainly of lipid and protein. The cells of the mammals also contain small amount of carbohydrate associated with the protein or with lipid. The inner membranes largely contain phospholipid and the plasma membrane contain also natural lipid. For example, in the membrane of erythrocyte, 30% of lipids is present in the form of cholesterol. The excretion of individual component for membrane is affected with the aid of detergents, which solubilized insoluble substance and through the separation of the protein produced by mean of electrophoresis in the polyacrylic amide gel. In most cases, membrane are heterogeneous. They contain whole families of phospholipid and lipid. For example, the membrane of human erythrocyte contain no less than 20 type of lecithin. Lipid are built up of a polar head and two long non-polar hydrocarbon tails, which possess hydrophobic properties. The protein of membrane are also varied. About 1/3 of the protein of the erythrocyte membrane in the spectrin composed of two component with molecule weight 2,55,000 and 2,20,000. The second R is a series of protein with molecule weight of about 90,000, and the third R protein with a molecular weight is 9,000 to 50,000. Membranes of simpler composition also exist. The inner membrane of the rods of retina contain only one protein, rhodopsin. As far back as 1935, Danieli and Dancer proposed a theoretical model of the composition of biological membrane, the unit membrane. The unit membrane is considered to a bilayer of mixture polar lipid with their hydrophobic tails extending inward and their hydrophilic heads exposed on the surface where they are bound to the outer monomolecular protein layer. The main source of information about the cell structure and cell membrane is electron microscopy. The obtained electron micrography, the specimens are stained with the chemistry of the process involved has not been studied in the detail. It is also unclear what happened upon extraction and membrane and the preparation of specimen. Artifacts are not excluded nonetheless. The main idea of the organization of the unit membrane, the bilayer arrangement of lipid, is correct. This is also proved by X-ray data. As regards their protein coat, the arrangement of protein differs from the suggested in the symmetrical unit membrane model, according to which the membrane protein has a hydrophobic surface which become bound to the polar end of the lipid. Isolated membrane protein and membrane has also been studied by the indirect method by the action of proteolytic enzyme on them by incorporation of the various label into membrane protein. It has been found that membrane protein can be subdivided into two classes. Some of the protein are bounded only the membrane surface, like globular protein which function is as aqueous environment. They have a hydrophilic surface. The protein of the second class are capable of penetration the membrane and interaction with the hydrophobic tails of the lipid. These proteins are insoluble in water, their surface being hydrophobic. The investigation of the membrane carried out by means of infrared spectroscopy, spectropolarimetry, NMR, etc. point to the diversity of the protein structure and it to interprotein interaction which are not taken into account in the unit membrane model. It has been established that the protein are arranged asymmetrically in the membrane. Important results have been obtained by the freeze etching method, in which is the membrane are rapidly frozen at the liquid nitrogen temperature and fluctuated with a cold chisel-like tool in a vacuum. The ice sublimates and the specimen in shadow replicated by platinum and carbon and examined by under an electron microscope. It has been found that the cleaved surface passes along the internal hydrophobic portion of the red cell membrane. Globular particles with a diameter of up to 7.5 nanometer are found to exist in the membrane. These particles are protein. There are several modifications of the unit membrane model. At present, the model that is thought to be closer to the truth is the fluid mosaic model of the cell membrane. This model too has a bilayer of lipid. As a matter of fact, artificial lipid membrane with a bilayer structure are found to be similar to biological membrane in many respects. Artificial membrane are produced when a mixture of phospholipid and neutral lipid dissolved in organic solvent is allowed to contact with water. In this way, black membrane can be produced. Example, thin layer 10 nanometer thick which are devoid of interference colors. It has been found that this membrane has the bilayer structure indicated. Compares the properties of artificial bilayer lipid membrane with those of biological membrane. Artificial membrane display no metabolic activity and are not so highly selective as are biological membrane, but they stimulate the important property of biomembrane and enable one of the study the transport of material and excitability. It has been established that various complex liquid crystalline structure of long range order are formed in lipid water system. This system are scientific interest in their own right. There is ground for believing that the multiphase nature of lipid system is directly associated with the function of biological membrane. Thank you.